Welcome to the channel. My name is Uche and this is UcheTradingJourney. In this channel, this is the one of me documenting my trading journey. And the reason why I started trading initially was because, honestly, to be very frank, it was because of a game I saw on a Play Store and I installed it because I was bored. I was just looking for a financial game and I got really into trading in general. So that was why I started trading. I thought trading was really that simple. Just press buy or sell and you make your money easily. Then I started doing my research into it, started watching some YouTube videos. Then I found Weibo, which is a stock trading platform. I didn't like it so much. It was nice. It was very nice, to be quite frank, but I didn't like the user interface much. So I switched into TradingView, which is one of the best analytical software for analyzing your charts and analyzing your trade. TradingView, I like TradingView. Then I started using TradingView paper trading to practice for about a year. I practiced for about a year, going like around that year range, and I enjoyed it. The idea of just click buy, you make more amount of money, click sell, you make a certain amount of money. It was very exciting. Now, this is me documenting my first trade, official trade, my first live trade. So after a year of demo trading, I was ready to start trying to real amount of money, and quite frankly, I was very nervous. I was scared to even deposit money into the platform because I use Bybit. Bybit is my broker. So I was very scared. I was nervous of putting money inside there and losing real money, because while demo trading is very easy for you to put a certain amount of money, lose a certain amount of money, and you will not care, you won't be scared. Why? Because it's fake money. So I deposited the money. I was excited. I said, now that I've put in the money, instead of me leaving the money there and still analyzing without even putting any retreat, let me just set up a trade. I looked at the chart for about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, but I just decided to enter a trade anyhow without prepared or not. So let me just throw myself in there. So I did a bit of analysis. I entered the trade. I hit stop loss, mama, but I was very happy. I am very happy about entering that trade because it made me get comfortable with Bybit user interface. It made me get comfortable with actually seeing your money disappear. Yes, so this is our day one experience of trading. This is what happened recently, and I'm excited to see what happened next. Let's see what tomorrow holds. Let's see what we can do when we enter the market again tomorrow. I will enter again tomorrow after I do some analysis, I do some studying, and see. Even though this is our first official video, pardon the quality is bad, but we are going somewhere. So make sure to stick around, make sure to enjoy the journey, and look for more. Subscribe, hit that notification button, and I'll see you in the next video. Out.